Pejabat Dewan Bandar Novos memerlukan laizen dari pihak BNPF untuk terlibat dalam operasi di bawah Gears.
Operation apa?
Operation Exodus. Banyak faction yang menarget si Zidane, termasuk si Wira dan geng Sanza.
Okey, Intikamverse kalau bis kita di luar sana mengikuti Intikamverse ni lah. Jadinya sebenarnya we already started this Intikamverse. Throughout Intikamverse punya run, I created this sort of storyline arc throughout those four films, Intikam 1, Zidane, Tias Keswan sama Intikam 2. I consider that as Blackjack Casino arc namanya. And then with the release of Zidane Exodus ini, we are starting with a new arc, which I won't announce yet apa arcnya, story arcnya, tapi akan ada nampak dalam post credit scene Zidane Exodus ini kemana story Zidane ini akan berjalan.
Zidane actually started as a criminal that is doing illegal businesses underground alongside with Mustaqim Enterprise, secretly of course. And then Azlan or Mas Hitam like destroyed everything that he worked so hard for. Then so now he turns into someone that is so revengeful for everything that he lost.
Yes! Lelaki Mas Hitam! Come on!
Dalam Zidane Exodus, Inspector Sam dan Suzy bekerjasama untuk mentransfer Zidane ini kepada suatu tempat. Di mana kalau bis kita lihat dalam Intikam 2, Suzy adalah salah satu bodyguard dalam bodyguard Marwa Sofian. In the bad side lah, macam dalam bad sides. Tapi dah Zidane Exodus ni ada good side dia. So, itu yang membuatkan Inspector Sam rasa suspicious lah kepada Suzy ni.
Akmal sent me like a lot of YouTube videos for references. Tapi there's no particular one that I refer to. Pasal I watched like the video to get like what kind of feeling Akmal want to shoot like the scenes in. Again, I never signed up for like action roles, so I didn't know like what to do. Tapi if benar-benar have to like mention a character, I guess like feeling like Katniss Everdeen, even though she's not like in any like, even though like she's playing an action, but it's not like gun related.
So Indira ni ia ejen dari salah satu agensi di Bandar Novos. Kalau orang Marvel, kamu tahu ada Shield. Kalau orang Bandar Novos ada Gears.
Who is my favorite castmate? Definitely not Inspector Sam. I guess in this movie, favorite castmate and favorite character is different. So I know this is like not related, but I guess my favorite character would be Zidane. I think James played that character well. But okay lah, my favorite castmate is Saipul. Because like sometimes when Akmal want us to be serious, we sometimes have to try really hard to be serious. And then like if you can see like some scenes that we're in together, even though it's like serious, but then if you see the bloopers, there are more non-serious scenes than serious ones.
My inspiration behind the creation of this particular short film was one, Sicario, and also there is also another one from Mission Impossible Fallout. So in what way I was inspired by those film? There is one scene dalam Zidane Exodus ini yang menunjukkan ambush scene. In terms of the shootout scene, yang scene bertimbak-timbak dalam Zidane Exodus ini, dari segi camera worknya apa itu ini, I was inspired by Gareth Evans, director of The Raid, and also he also created a TV series Gangs of London.
Saya berbanggalah dengan pengalaman yang diberikan dalam memproducing and assistant director dalam menghasilkan sebuah filem pendek iaitu Zidane Exodus. Ia merupakan suatu pengalaman yang baru di mana selama ini dia pernah memproducing and menjadi assistant director dalam menghasilkan sebuah filem lah. Di sambil itu, orang belajar macam mana akan memproduce and menolong dalam mendirect sebuah filem itulah.
Since it was my first time, so I feel pressure sikit. Pasal sebelum ni saya bekerja di bawah arahan adik, and I have to do a lot of research about wardrobe, macam makeup dan anything yang related to production design lah. But of course with the help of our director, our AD and Abang Polis kami, Saiful sama Adi.
I think one of the biggest upgrade in the making of Zidane Exodus is actually bringing in, collaborating or hiring Akil Ahmad from Filterworks Production.
Di samping kami ngambil orang itu, di samping itu tani belajarlah sambil belajar benda-benda baru daripada orang yang berpengalaman ini. Kami mengambil itu Akil sebagai DOP untuk memantapkan lagi kualiti Marhan Entertainment itu.
First, when shooting Zidane Exodus, I just recovered from COVID. I remember that. Then the next day, Akmal told me to, hey, let's shoot straight. And then my lungs weren't really giving its best cooperation during shooting. Pasal kami shoot scene yang paling payah, and then that was I think the final day kali. Mas kami shoot 2 major fight scenes that day, and I was really exhausted, but I have to hold on during the whole shoot. And then I also experienced brain fog where I just forget everything that I rehearsed, fight scene, dialogue. It was just really stressful for me lah because I just delayed the whole process. And then second, I think the time and also weather. Pasal the production perlu usai or align everyone to shoot.
Pasal on this Zidane punya Exodus punya film, we need everyone dalam sehari itu. So dah dapat dibagi-bagikan. Jadinya schedule meeting semua adalah. So jadinya akan menyusun jadual itu mengikut semua aktor, memang payahlah dicari. Jadinya orang boleh jadi terdelay lah shooting itu because it depends on everyone punya free time.
Dalam Zidane Exodus ini, cabaran saya terpaksa melakonkan skrip campur dengan aksi. Saya berskrip juga, saya beraksi juga. Pada sebelum ini, dalam Intikam 2, saya fokus kepada aksi saja. Skrip saja.
Memang orang mencabar pasal ya action. So banyakkan dipikirkan. So there's a lot of training.
Of course, the action sequence. Kalau dalam Intikam 1, Zidane sama Intikam 2, kamu banyak lihat fist fight saya kan, macam tumbuk-tumbuk, itu ini, tandang sana sini. Tapi dalam Zidane Exodus ini, for the first time, we are doing a lot of shootout scenes, banyak bertimbang. Zidane Exodus is a very important film for people yang sudah following our update on our upcoming movie Al-Imam. Zidane Exodus ini actually serve as like a prologue untuk Al-Imam. Jadinya kalau kamu lihat Zidane Exodus, kamu akan lebih paham storyline Al-Imam. The ending will sting you. It will leave you hanging lah with the fate of si Zidane ini. One thing that I can promise you all is that this is not the end for Zidane. Ia akan kembali lagi and he will bring more disaster dalam Bandar Nufus.
Like I said earlier, Zidane still has unfinished business with Wira, so he'll be back. And Zidane Exodus doesn't mark like the end of Zidane, so there will be more of him in the Intikamverse nanti.
Inspektor Sam bukan terhenti sampai di Zidane Exodus ini saja. InsyaAllah, Inspektor Sam akan muncul pada filem yang akan datang. Nantikan.
We will see more of Suzy's adalah.
Hai, saya Akila Jali.
Jamaluddin Abu.
Saiful Azman.
I'm Selina.
Be sure to check out Zidane Exodus
YouTube channel Marha Entertainment
On 17 December 2023.
Jangan lupa saksikan.